Hello and welcome to Bank Read. In this video you'll get to know about the rise of Insuretech designed for transformation in insurance industry for modern world. So let's get started. Insuretech. Insuretech refers to the utilization of technology innovations designed to squeeze out savings and potency from this insurance business model. Insuretech could be a combination of the words insurance and technology, galvanized by the term fintech. The belief driving Insuretech corporations and investments by venture capitalists within the area is that the insurance business is ripe for innovation and disruption. Insuretech is exploring avenues that giant insurance companies have less incentive to take advantage of, like providing ultra-customized policies, welfare, and victimization of new streams of information from internet-enabled devices to dynamically worth premiums in step with discovered behavior. Significance of Insuretech. Insurance is associated with recent business, one of all the oldest monetary businesses, and it tends to favor those with deep pockets and long expertise within the market. Traditionally, broad figure tables are wont to assign policy seekers to a risk class. The cluster is then adjusted, therefore enough individuals are lumped along to make sure that, overall, the policies are profitable for the corporate. This approach will, of course, lead to some individuals paying quite the must be supported the essential level of information wont to cluster individuals. Among different things, Insuretech wants to tackle this knowledge and analysis issue head-on. In addition to higher valuation models, Insuretech startups are testing the waters on a number of potential game changers. These embody victimization, deep learning, trained computing, AI, to handle the tasks of brokers associated. Notice the proper mixture of policies to complete an individual's coverage. Criticism of Insuretech. Although several of those innovations are long old, there are reasons why the incumbent insurance corporations are therefore reluctant to adapt. Insurance could be an extremely regulated business with several layers of territorial legal baggage to traumatize, as several of the Insuretech startups still need the assistance of ancient insurers to handle underwriting and manage ruinous risk. That said, as additional Insuretech startups garner shopper interest with a refined model and an easy approach, they will notice that the incumbent players look at the thought of Insuretech and become inquisitive about shopping for up a number of the innovation. Benefits of Insuretech. Insuretech is that the use of technology innovations designed to form this insurance model additional economical by victimization technology like knowledge analysis and AI. Insuretech permits merchandise to be priced additional competitively. There are headwinds for Insuretechs, notably regulation problems and a reluctance of established insurers to figure with them. Insuretech in modern world. The growth and proliferation of Insuretech companies began to accelerate in 2010, mostly driven by a rise in working capital funding. Compared to different components of the fintech area, like various payment suppliers and digital disposal platforms, the interaction between business incumbents and new entrants within the development of Insuretech typically involves additional cooperation and collaboration than direct competition and disruption. The Insuretech system is supported by many private sector initiatives, like innovation hubs and accelerators, yet as public sector regulative sandboxes that are specific to Insuretech. The convenience led to by Insuretech permits people and businesses to access insurance merchandise and services quickly, saving precious time and eliminating the antique frustrations of shopping for insurance. About 1,500 Insuretech startups are presently in operation around the world. In addition, quite $9 billion in disclosed capital has been committed to over 700 Insuretech investments over the past 5 years. With the knowledge gathered, we tend to try to section the 104 Insuretech platforms primarily based not solely on the merchandise or services offered, as is therefore usually the case in previous studies, however by the platform model itself. We tend to segment the varied Insuretech companies in step with the subsequent platform models outlined below. Full stack insurers, platforms that underwrite policies, assume the danger, or associate insurance firm or reinsurer assumes or shares within the risk, and, in most cases, manage the method from start to finish. Agents, platforms that act on behalf of a carrier, basically acting as an associate extension of the associate incumbent carrier. Brokers, platforms that offer customers a range of policies offered by each incumbent carriers, and insurgent Insuretech platforms. These platforms might or might not be paid commission supported by the policies sold through their platform. Game changer for the insurance sector. Insurance in Bharat is understood for its taste to believe personal merchandising methodology. Historically, around the 80th to 90th of the insurance business is finished via physical sales channels. This suggests that there's a tremendous chance to explore the digital approach of merchandising. With the COVID-19 happening, insurance suppliers have taken on the challenge of digital merchandising wholeheartedly. Insurance has a large potential for major development in sales, service, and product development. The adoption of Insuretech can change these suppliers to possess exaggerated client engagement, exaggerated use of analytics, and convenient adoption of mobile and social media for client communication and transactions. So making an associate ecosystem wherever client expertise, development, and technology work along. Since Insuretech has had a troublesome time finding a position throughout early adoption, it directly hived far away from fintech with a crystal clear specialization in the insurance business to develop a distinct segment. Fintech conjointly helped Insuretech by creating it additional comprehensive for banks, NBFCs, and MFs. Today, Insuretech is taken into account joint of the key contributors within the deepening the insurance reach across the country and increasing penetration multiple times over. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to be the first one to get the notification of all the upcoming